Are you feeling intimidated by the gym? Wondering where to start or how to avoid looking like a complete newbie? Don't worry, we've all been there before.
I don't know about her.
Today I'm sharing 7 realistic gym tips for beginners that will have you feeling like a pro in no time. This video is for anyone who's new to the gym, feeling a little lost and uncomfy, okay? The goal here is simple, to help you walk into the gym with confidence and make the most out of your time there.
I can do this. I can do this.
If you're new to my page, welcome. My name is Chanel and I'm a certified personal trainer and nutrition coach, and I've worked with tons of clients from first-time gym goers to seasoned fitness enthusiasts. My goal is to make fitness accessible, fun, and effective so you can crush your goals without all the guesswork. So you're probably in the little stretch section, okay, trying to figure out what machine does what, or maybe you've hit a few of the machines, but you feel like you're not getting any results. It's frustrating, right? But imagine this, a few months from now, you'll walk in knowing exactly what to do, feel confident using any equipment, and actually look forward to your gym session. The truth is, you're not alone, and there's probably a handful of people in the gym in the exact same boat as you. But sticking with it and learning the right strategies can change everything. Because consistency will lead to results, okay? Stronger muscles, more energy, and yes, that body yaddy yaddy that you're working towards. Number 1, start slow and build momentum. Ease into it. Don't try to go beast mode on your first day. Start with the basics like body weight exercises or light weights and gradually increase intensity as you build confidence and strength. Number 2, focus on form, not weight, okay? Perfect your technique before you add more weight. Bad form leads to injuries. Number 3, consistency over perfection, okay? Don't worry about being perfect, just keep showing up. You missed a workout here and there, that's fine. Get back at it and keep your routine consistent. Number 4, warming up is a must. Trust me, skipping the warm-up is a rookie mistake. A quick warm-up is crucial to prevent injury and make your workout more effective. Nobody is trying to squat with tight hips. Number 5, stay hydrated. Water is your gym bestie. Drop the juice and soda and get you a water bottle, okay? Staying up on your water will ensure your body is operating at its peak performance, and it also helps with muscle recovery. Number 6, mix it up. Variety is key. Switching up your exercises and adding new movements prevent boredom and help keep you interested. Number 7, do not compare yourself. Remember, you're on your own journey. Focus on your progress and don't stress over what other people are doing. They were beginners once before too, okay? Now that you have the tools to get started, it's time that you take action. If not now, when? If you keep putting it off, you'll be stuck in the same place next year. But if you take one small step today, show up for yourself at the gym, your future self will thank you. All of these tips don't mean if you don't actually get up off the couch, all right? So make sure you click this video next where I'm gonna show you how to actually start working out. Let's go.